we're going to do a hill start today, and we're also going to do, if we're lucky enough, get a hill start on a junction at the same time. So let's get some driving done and let's have a go at doing it. So we'll do a right turn into this side road here, so we'll check our mirrors and signal. And it's definitely on a hill here, so we'll pull up halfway. Bit of a tricky one, so take your time. I'm in second gear at the moment. And we'll pull up just by that tree on the left. So we'll check our mirror and signal in, and a hill start, cover the brake, clutch down. It's not too tricky, but it can get a bit scary at first. So you just need to remember, you need a bit more power and a bit more biting point. If you release the handbrake, you're going to roll down the hill. So clutch down, first gear, get some gas, get some biting point. Remember, you need the gas on. If you just take the gas off and go clutch, what's going to happen is, as you're moving off, it's cutting out on you. It needs power. So clutch down, restart the car. Remember, clutch down, first gear, gas, biting point. Common faults people do, I say, is they worry about rolling backwards, and you just need to remember power and biting point. And before you pull off, don't forget the observations. And biting point, you can feel it pull. And power, I'm looking at the rev counter now, and I'm getting about 1.5 to 2,000 revs. I'm looking round because it's quite a steep hill, and I'm moving off nicely, holding that left foot still, and off the left foot comes. So slightly unorthodox one. I have to pull up on the right then to avoid the bin truck. So it's gas, biting point. I'll look to the left and bring myself out. There we go. Remember, you need more power, more biting point. We're going to do a left emerge, but on a hill. So we can check our mirror signal in. They're definitely not behind. There's no rush, so I'm just going to stop for a second. I'm in first gear now. If I take the handbrake off, we're going to roll back on the hill. So we need power on and biting point. You need to feel that pull. I keep going on about it because you need to do it, because quite a fault is hold the feet still while you're doing it and then off the clutch. Quite a common fault is people release the clutch too early or don't put the power on. So you just need to remember these things and you'll be fine then. And you just need to pick a quiet area like I'm doing then and just practice it. So we'll pull over on this hill by this tree with the bin bags, checking our mirrors and signalling. Quite a sort of thing you're going to get on the test. They'll pull you over and you think it's just to pull over and move off. And it is, it's just on the hill. Because if you take the handbrake off, you're rolling. So when you pull over on your test, and they'll say pull over on the left where it's safe to do so, and as you pull over, off you go. Get yourself into first gear, don't feel rushed, clutch down, first gear, gas, biting point, have a good look round, and then we're off. And that's the secret to pulling off on hills, is don't rush, get your gas on, get your biting point, obviously make sure you're in first gear, and then take your time looking round and pull off what it's saying. So we're going to go to a right emerge now on a hill. It's a tricky one. It's not the easiest thing to do because you've got quite a few things going against you. You've got the hill start and you've got a right emerge. Combine it together on a busy road. It's not an easy one for an experienced driver, but we'll do it. And I'll talk you through what I'm doing. So it's coming up here, little sharp left bend followed by a hill start. Mirrors to the right, signal to the right. It's on the hill, it goes right up at the end there, right up to the junction line. That's the key. If you stop short, you're not going to see anything. Get the handbrake nice and high so you don't roll backwards. Gas on, biting point. See the car coming, off the gas, lower the clutch and wait. You can't do anything. This car's on the right and you've just got to be patient. That's what you got to say. No rush. Gap on the right, car on the left. Now there's a gap on the right, gap on the left, gas, biting point, feel the pull, more power. I'm looking over 2,000 revs there. Hold that left foot still, because if that left foot moved, I'll definitely be stalling there. If you enjoyed the video, fantastic. Good luck on your lessons and good luck with the hill starts. Take care, safe driving.